I'm Rhiannon and I live here in this 4-bedroom terrace house in Cardiff with my family. Dyma'n phwmp gwres ni. So we live in a Victorian terrace. It's 120 years old. Some people do worry that houses like these, that a heat pump won't be able to heat the house. Heat pumps are actually a lot more efficient than a gas boiler. They're up to 3 times more efficient. We run it at lower temperature, so it runs for a longer time and the house is just always cosy. Mae'r pump gwres yn gallu gwneud popeth oedd y boiler nwy yn gallu gwneud. Mae'n gwresogi yn dŵr poeth ni, ein rheiddiadur, a hefyd mae gennym ni wresogi y tan lawr, a mae'r pump gwres yn gwresogi nhw'n berffaith. We found the process actually quite hassle-free. We worked with a really good installer and they helped us through the whole process with everything we needed. They even applied for the grant that we could get, which paid for a lot of the upfront cost. Dyn ni'n ffindio fod y pump gwres yn eitha tawel. Mae tua'r un faint o sŵn a yr oergell yn rhedeg yn y gegin. I would definitely recommend to anyone to get a heat pump. It's been a real game changer for us. Ni'n gallu gweld yn barod beth yw effaith newid hinsawdd ar y byd. A rydyn ni eisiau gwneud beth ni'n gallu